Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be seeing if these two flavors make brown butter. One being my brown emulsion, and I know some of y'all who new to my channel like brown butter, but isn't this brown butter? So how you gonna get two flavors to make brown butter when it's already brown butter? Since you knew, you feel me? You don't know. This don't taste like brown butter, baby. But it do taste like cookie though. It is good, but it don't taste like brown butter. And the other flavor, I will actually be using regular butter extract. Now, I never really tried, I don't think, butter extract. So I'm gonna smell it and taste it like butter and see if I can add a little bit to each other to see if I can get that brown butter, because with that alone, it ain't happening. Okay, it do smell like butter and like maple. Like pancakes. I'm just a little bit, so I don't want too much on. I don't know. I need to taste this or something. I'm getting a lot of alcohol. Okay, I'm gonna pour some inside of this cup. More of this and lesser of the brown butter. Okay, I'm gonna do the half tablespoon. Put it in here. I'll do two. So it's gonna be 1 tablespoon. Okay, and with the brown butter, I'm just gonna take a half tablespoon. This is stronger to smell. A little salt in here. Okay, I'm still getting a lot of that brown butter cookie dough smell. Okay, as I get it closer, a whiff of it, I smell more of the alcohol. I am smelling the maple, getting that cookie dough smell. Okay, just a little tiny bit. The alcohol tastes potent. Tastes a little bit butter, but not brown butter. I think I gotta make this or something. It don't matter though, cause I already came prepared, baby. I think I'll mix everything together. All right, I'm gonna take my 2 packets of instant coffee and put it in here. And that's with the butter emulsion. I'm also gonna use white chocolate, so it'll be a half of the white chocolate. I just want to add a tad bit more salt. Mix it up. I'm probably still gonna shake it, but I'm gonna mix it first. It smells good. Okay, right now I want to transfer it to my cup. And you know all this ain't gonna come out. So I'm gonna help it. Pour some of my milk. Mix that around as well. Okay, I'm gonna pour this in there. I'll put a lid on there. Okay, I'm gonna make a quick cold foam. I'm gonna put in my heavy whipping cream. Some more of my butter. 1 tablespoon, 2 of these. 1, 2. So like a half a teaspoon. Mix that up. Now put like half a teaspoon of the white chocolate. I'm gonna taste it. Extra strong. I shouldn't put that much in there. You think? Just a lot of the alcohol. I am getting the butter taste. Brown butter, no. It's still getting a little bit of that cookie dough / regular butter, but a lot of alcohol. Let me taste this. I have my ice aside. It smells good, but it do smell like alcohol. I'm getting coffee, but it's not sweet enough for me. I'm gonna add in some more of this white chocolate. Now we're gonna taste it. Put it in here. What I'm gonna do is add some milk in here. Toss it a little bit. So I want to get the remaining All right, and now I'm gonna put my cold foam in here. Come shake it up more. I'm smelling a lot of alcohol, y'all. You close my nose. But then I ain't gonna be able to taste it like that. Use the rest of this. I only got a little bit anyways. It do taste better, sweeter, but still a lot of alcohol. Let me take this and put it in my cup. Yes, y'all look pretty. Is it gonna taste pretty? I can already tell you now, it kind of like, from when I tasted it, it didn't really taste like crap. Let me get into it again though. It ain't bad. First, when I was drinking it, before the straw, I tasted mainly the cold foam. Now the cold foam was slightly sweetened, and I did taste a little bit of alcohol, but it wasn't as potent as it was when I first was making it. However, I did smell that cookie dough smell. It was just the brown butter, but it didn't smell like regular brown butter. It smelled like cookie dough still. And then as I got into it with the straw, I taste more of that coffee. Now it didn't taste as sweet because the white chocolate did get kind of lost. It added, I guess it added like just a little bit of sweetness, but not as much. But I still taste that coffee taste, which I love. It ain't bad. It's a good coffee, but it didn't really deliver with that brown butter taste, which I kind of knew it wasn't. Do I taste regular butter? Like a little bit, but not as much. But I do taste the regular butter. You can smell it more, like, you know, when I was making it, then taste it. But it tastes more like butter than this. Brown butter tastes like butter. You forget what I'm saying. The brown butter tastes like regular butter, brown butter, black butter, red butter. It don't taste like no butter. The only butter that it's giving is, but wait, there's more. And the more is the stuff that you put in it. Because it ain't giving butter. It's a coffee, but yeah. So as far as like mixing those two flavors to see if it get brown butter, it's enough for me. However, is the coffee good? Yeah, that's about it. I'll give it an 8. But to buy it at a place, I'll get it. But if they lie to me, it's called brown butter, iced coffee, or iced latte. And after I taste it, I'm just gonna look at it like, and I ain't finna go back to them because you lied. Well, I might do, but I might change the name myself. Make it at home, yes. But to call it brown butter, I'm not doing that. It's lying. That's fibbing. That's telling the tale. Ain't the truth. Yeah. I drunk it all though. I still say make it. However, change the name. Because it ain't brown butter, baby. Yeah, I'm blessed.